Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your research skills with Elsevier, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your research skills with Elsevier, start by visiting the Elsevier website. Create an account if you don't already have one. This will allow you to access a wealth of resources tailored to researchers. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the home page. Navigate to the research section to explore the available tools. Check out the Science Direct platform for access to millions of scientific articles. Use the search bar to find articles related to your specific research topic. Utilize advanced search features to narrow down results by year, author, or type of publication. Make sure to filter results based on whether you require open access or subscription-based articles. As you find relevant articles, take notes on key findings and methodologies. Consider using the citation tool to help manage your references efficiently. Next, explore the Mendeley platform, which integrates with Elsevier. Mendeley helps organize your references and collaborate with other researchers. Download the Mendeley desktop app for enhanced functionality. Import your research articles into Mendeley to keep everything organized. Next, visit the Researcher Academy section for free online courses. These courses cover various aspects of research skills, from writing to publishing. Choose a course that aligns with your specific research needs. Complete the course and take the assessments to reinforce your learning. After finishing the courses, apply your newfound knowledge. Consider joining webinars or online events hosted by Elsevier to network with other researchers. Stay updated by subscribing to relevant newsletters for the latest research news and advancements. Regularly revisit the Elsevier website to explore new tools and resources. By engaging with these resources consistently, you'll significantly enhance your research skills. Always remember to seek out additional readings from the vast library of resources available. With practice, your proficiency in using these tools will continue to improve. This investment in your research skills will pay off in your academic and professional journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.